Welcome, here I've got TCL 20L and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this settings bar. Now we have to tap to the second from the left button so we can get access to our aspect ratio. As you can see, we are in 4:3. Let's move to 16:9, and now the background has changed to the longer one, so this is how it works. Another tap here and we can move to 1:1 ratio, the square one. And when we pick this button once again, we can also go to the full one, so for now we can see the full camera frame. And of course, when we pick the second from the left button again, you can pick whatever you need. Now let me go back to 4:3, the original one. And that's all, this is how to change it. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.